How to speak English today class. Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Nice to meet you. Happy to meet you too. What's your name? My name is Aslam. How many languages do you speak? I speak two languages. How many? Which animal is very small? Ant is very small. Which animal gives egg? Hen gives egg. Which animal has no leg? Snakes have no legs, etc. Which animal can attack? Lion, leopard, etc. Which animal we can ride? Horse, donkey. Which animal can we eat? Goats, cow, sheep. Which animal lives in desert? Camel. Camel. Which animal can fly? Sparrow, eagle, etc. Which animal carries at night? Owls. Thank you for your time. You are welcome. Which animal has long jump? Kangaroo. Which animal eats grass? Goat, cow, sheep. Which animal eats meal? Lion, leopard,